Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could clean your computer from viruses without any third-party software or antivirus. To do that, go to your search tab and click or type Windows Security and click on Windows Security Settings, which will appear for you. The next step, click on Open Windows Security. Make sure that you are connected to internet so that there are no problems, and make sure that virus and threat protection is activated or showing in green. Here it shows no action needed, but we will keep or go ahead with the next step. Click on virus and threat protection. The next step, we will select check for updates. We will click check for updates and we will let the computer search if there are any updates available. If so, the computer will download it and install it for us. If not, it will say that your antivirus or Windows antivirus is up to date. Once done, Windows will tell you that, or will show the following: security intelligence version created on, and it should show you the exact date and time when you run the update. And in the last update, you will see when the last update has been performed. For me, it has been just performed a minute ago. So now we are ready to go. We click on the back button, and here we will select scan options. In the scan options, we will select full scan. The next step, you will go ahead and click on scan now. Windows might take 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, based on how big is your hard disk, how much data you have there, how fast is your computer. So there are multiple factors which will influence this speed. However, once done, the scan will come back with messages. If they find any viruses in your computer, Windows will ask you to allow or to delete or to remove to quarantine. And the best is to remove to quarantine. For now, I will just click on cancel since my computer is totally clean. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, write us a comment, send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to help us and encourage us, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.